Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a nighttime cleaning routine, just some simple things that I like to do to shut the house down at night. So if you are ready for this video, then just keep watching. Of course, I have to start this video off with sharing with you guys what we had that night. This was actually earlier that day, so I'm starting the crock pot. I'm making Mississippi pot roast, but instead of a roast, I'm using chicken. I have about 2 pounds of chicken thighs here, but you can definitely do 1 to 2 to 2.5, depending on how much food you want to make. I take 1 pack of this au jus gravy, 1 pack of dry ranch seasoning, a couple of pepperoncinis. We like to use a lot of pepperoncinis because they're super good when they've cooked all day. And I also add in some of the juice from the jar, just a little bit, and then also a stick of butter. You're gonna let that cook on low for 7 to 8 hours or on high for 4 to 5 hours. Serve it over rice or mashed potatoes. You guys will not be disappointed. Fast forward to later that evening. It's almost 5 o'clock, so I need to start my nighttime routine and getting ready for dinner. So I'm just going to be restocking our K-Cups, and I thought I would show you guys our favorite coffee right now. The maple pecan and the toffee nut are so good. I know you guys will agree with me when I say this. The kitchen is the main area of the house that I need to clean up or tidy up at the end of the night because of everything that goes on. Dinner is finally done. The kids' homework is done. So it's time to kind of reset my kitchen like I like to do at night. If I don't do anything else at night, I will do this. So I'm taking things out of the dishwasher, putting the clean dishes away before I reload them with dishes from dinner. I do like to clean as I go when I'm cooking, so I don't have that many pots and pans to clean. And for the most part, our kitchen isn't that bad today. And like I said, I like to clean as I go. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna move on to something else.
Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could rely of a little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate. She is unruly. Never seen it like this. Didn't think it existed, no truth. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living
Another thing that I like to do is tidy up our shoe closet. We don't wear shoes in our house, so all of the kids' shoes are in here. Me and Brandon do have a couple pairs in this closet, but for the most part, we keep ours in our closet upstairs. So I'm just going to tidy up in here, pair the shoes back up, put them back on the shelves before I vacuum. I thought I would show you guys one of my favorite pairs of Nikes that I need to clean. So I'm going to set those to the side actually. I clean those by hand, but there are some of the kids' shoes that I throw in the washing machine and they're sandals. So I'm going to put those to the side as well. Not sure if you guys can tell, but the ceiling in the closet is slanted because it's underneath our stairs. So I can't put that shoe shelf system on that back wall like I wish I could because it's slanted and we need all the shoe shelves we can get. So it has to stay right here for now until we figure something else out, but this is actually working pretty well for us. So in those bins, if you guys want to know, the top ones hold all of our scarves, gloves, and hats, and then we have some smaller ones underneath that hold lunch boxes and other things that we need right before walking out the door, like lotion, lint rollers, fingernail clippers, chapstick, things like that.
You've always felt like a part of you has gone missing. I know it's real, but I'm telling you, it's closer than you know. I'm really trying to keep it cool now. Don't you see that you're a fool? Oh, it's time to open your eyes and let go. Oh, oh. You got a lot of exes, but none of them know you better. The stories you've heard could be you and I. Hey, let me explain, get to the reason why it's not us. You know there's no one else than me you trust. You know it's truth deep inside. Won't you let it go?
Moving on to the living area for a quick little tidy up. The kids actually were just watching a movie in here, so there's pillows and the blanket, and there's like popcorn kernels on the floor. So I'm just gonna vacuum and tidy up our couch. I did start this routine a little bit earlier than usual because I would usually tidy up this area right before I go upstairs to take a shower and get ready for bed, but me and Brandon are about to watch a movie, so I still thought I would tidy it up beforehand. A few days ago, I cleared off our coffee table because I'm starting to put away all of our winter stems and decor so that I can start transitioning to spring. I am still looking for the right pillows for our new couch. I haven't found them yet. I have an idea of what I want my pillows to look like on our couch, but I just need to get my hands on it. I'm also on the hunt for some new spring stems for the house, so stay tuned for a spring decorate with me video.
To come once, just give me your word. Oh, we gotta let go.
I washed a couple of loads of laundry earlier today, so I'm just going to consolidate all of that stuff. I washed some of our cushions and cushion covers from our outdoor patio today, and some of the kids' shoes, some whites, and I think some darks and their socks. So all of that stuff is dry, so I'm just going to put it all in the laundry basket and fold it tomorrow. Last but not least, I'm going to take Kobe out for one last walk before he goes to bed for the night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.